Uvre's been listed on the ASX, but we've just been for 4 years, but we've just acquired the amazing brownfields gold projects in New Zealand to get exposure to the New Zealand investment market and also show the company's commitment to New Zealand and the gold mining industry here is the reason we've listed.
Look, it's always great to have a new listing, a new ticker coming to the board. Uvre is an extension of the work that the team has been doing to bring ASX companies here to the NZX. The foreign exempt listing pathway is reasonably straightforward, and there's a whole bunch of investors here in New Zealand that want easy access to companies, be it in the resource sector or be it in what the future might bring as well.
I think it just shows a real commitment from the board and the management team, and it's strongly backed by our Australian major shareholders as well. The NZX make it very easy for Australian listed, ASX listed companies to dual list on the NZX.
But we're delighted to welcome Uvre onto NZX. The function of the exchange, it's all about capital formation. And that's incredibly important for the New Zealand economy. This creates jobs, it creates growth, and we actively want to encourage that. That is what NZX is all about, and that's our mission.
We collectively like the idea of brownfields or ex-production assets. And when I became aware that New Zealand had such a long gold mining history, both in the Hauraki goldfields and in Targo, it made a lot of sense to us to then look to post acquiring these assets, list in New Zealand. So to be able to do new exploration on these projects that have been underexplored for many decades in known richly endowed goldfields is really exciting for us as a company and for shareholders.
Yeah, well, public markets in New Zealand are really important, so having a healthy market is not only important for the companies that are listed, but really important for the economy as a whole, right? The momentum we're starting to pick up, there's a bit more certainty. New Zealand itself is starting to gain some momentum, so the public markets here in New Zealand is extremely important.